Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Professor Hassan and you are watching my channel Professor Hassan Hamayu. After 7 days on 31st August 2025 Sunday, PPSC is going to conduct a very important paper for the post of Assistant Director Stat. Dear students, you have 7 important precious days. You can still join my session for the preparation of statistics portion. My WhatsApp numbers are given. Do send me a message. Today I will discuss very important questions of the topic of index number with you people. Let's start. Question number 1. Which test stated that price index multiplied by volume index is equal to value index? Dear students, it is factor reversal test. It is P naught N, which is price index number, multiply Q naught N, which is quantity index number, also called volume index number or quantum index number. When you multiply these two, it will be value index number. A very important concept. It is factor reversal test. P naught N multiply Q naught N is equal to V naught N. Next question is Fisher index number is Fisher ideal index number because there are two reasons. Number one, it satisfies time reversal test as well as factor reversal test. Number two, it is the geometric mean between Laspeyres and Pasteur's index numbers. Next question is Marshall index number satisfies time reversal test. Next question is Fisher's ideal index is the dash of L and P, Laspeyres and Pasteur's. It is geometric mean of L and P. Next question is very important. The weight used in quantity index number are, dear students, please keep in mind, in quantity index number Q naught N, prices are used as weight, and in price index numbers, quantities are used as weight. A very important concept. Next question is the price used in the construction of consumer price index numbers are retail prices. Next question is time reversal test is applicable to how many years? It is applicable to 2 years. What is time reversal test? P naught N multiply P1 naught is equal to 1. Next question is a price relative is independent of any dash of measurement. Dear students, there is no unit of measurement of price relative. It is unitless. It means it is independent of any unit of measurement. Next question is very important. Which index number has upward bias? It is Laspeyres index number. Next is which index number has downward bias? It is Pasteur's index number. Fisher's index number satisfies time reversal as well as factor reversal test. Which average is suitable for index numbers? It is geometric mean. Next is CPI, consumer price index number. It is also called cost of living index number. It is also called retail price index number. It is also called household budget method. Household index number, a very important one. Next is Laspeyres index number are also called base year weighted. In Pasteur's index number are also called current year weighted. Next question is sum of product of current year price, which is Pn, and current year quantity, which is Qn, is equal to 50. It means summation Pn Qn is equal to 50 and sum of product of base year price, which is P naught, and quantity, which is Q naught, is equal to 100. It means summation P naught Q naught is equal to 100 is given. What is value index number? V naught N, and the formula is summation Pn Qn over summation P naught Q naught multiplied by 100. Just substitute the values. Next question is very conceptual. Time reversal test statement is A option, P naught 1 multiply P1 naught is equal to 1. Yes, that's true. B option, Q naught 1 multiply Q1 naught is equal to 1. That's also true, both. Next is consumer price index number is also called A, cost of living index number. Yes. B, retail price index number. Yes, both are correct. Next question is very important. Circular test is the extension of, it is the extension of time reversal test. It needs at least 3 years. PAB multiply PBC multiply PCA is equal to 1. In last period's quantity index number dash is considered as weight price of the base period. Dear students, must comment on today's lecture. Assalamu alaikum.